Hello everyone, Tanya here, and I am on my way to Virginia for a girls trip. I'm super excited. We're going to meet a couple of girls that you will recognize hopefully, and then one girl is going to be new to me. There is going to be some weather, so this did change from my backpacking trip to more of a camping trip. So I'll show you where we end up staying, but we are going to be hiking in the Grayson Highlands. So sad we're not going to be camping out with the ponies, but I am thankful we are not going to be sleeping in a thunderstorm. So so I'm super excited. The end of the weekend, we are going to trail days, Appalachian Trail Days. I'm so excited. I have never been. I have wanted to go for many years, and we finally get to go. So we'll be meeting up with some other people when we get there. Super excited to experience all of that. So, and kind of celebrate this year's AT through hikers. So, come along, let's see what we can get into. I will show you all of the things that we get into while we're there. So, see you in a minute. We made it. Here we are. This is going to be our home for a few days. So cool. We're just waiting on one more, and the other, Jackie and Kat, is at the shelter real quick, but they'll be back in a moment. But yeah, this is so cute. It's really busy. There's lots of RVs here at this park. It is Hungry Mother State Park, and we are specifically in camp something. I'll put it up here because I done forgot the campground. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna get unloaded and see you in a little bit.
Garlic powder. You guys can handle it. I'm taking.
Good morning. So I slept pretty good last night. We did get some storms last night, and thankfully we were inside where we stayed nice and dry. I'm not sure what the plan is today. It's pretty much supposed to rain with storms on and off all day. So we may try and find something inside to do. Maybe some caverns or something like that. If we do get a dry spell, we might try and do a short little hike. So we're still working that out. We have no signal here, so it's been kind of hard to see exactly what it's supposed to do. So we might try and find service so we can figure that out. But yeah, so we're gonna go get breakfast, or eat. We're going to go eat breakfast, and then get a plan together. Having some breakfast this morning. I got sausage patties and some chocolate chip pancakes. with this maple syrup packet. Should be really yummy. Alright, so we are at the trailhead right here. We're going to hike, I think it's 3.4 miles total, maybe just a little bit longer to go up to Molly's Knob and then come back down. It is raining, but the lake is beautiful. It's beautiful out here. There's the car, and we're headed this way. Okay, so we are at Molly Knob Trail. We're hiking up 1.7 to the viewpoint. It's about 1,000 feet elevation, and it's raining. But it's been beautiful so far, and we've only started with the rhododendron and mountain laurel. Whew. So let's get to the top of this. Hey Mom, these right here are azaleas. Thought you would like seeing these. Ice Bear found a geocache at the top.
Alright, I'm going to take, what am I going to take? Dinosaur?
Yes.
I'll take the dinosaur. And I will put in,
Oh, he's a cute dinosaur.
put in a high chew for anybody that gets hungry.
And they will up here.
Wow! Holy crap, it's worth it. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Okay, all that hard work paid off. So we have enjoyed a little break up here at the top of Molly's Knob. We're headed back down, and I think we're going to take a different trail back to the yurt and then come back and pick up the car. So I think we've got about 2, maybe 2.5 miles left to go, and then it should start storming after that, so about 3, 4 o'clock. So all right, well, we'll see you down there.
Mushrooms.
Cute mushrooms. I think fairies live here.
Oh, look at them on this. Look at them on the stick. That is so cool.
We're hiking in fairyland. There's lots of moss, newts, mushrooms, ferns. I absolutely believe that there are fairies that live here. So pretty.
And that's Mayapple.
Alright, we should be almost back to the yurt. We are really close to the spillway. So we should be getting there soon. So we're almost at the end. Our yurt should be really close, and then we'll go back and get my car. But this has been about 5.5 miles, I think, is what Ice Bear's thing is saying that we went. Obviously the uphill was really hard, but Molly's knob was such a great payoff for that. Well worth it. And then most of this after that has been pretty great. There's been a couple of small uphills, but nothing too terrible, other than it being at the end of a long day's hike. So feet are a little sore. I'm definitely tired and ready for a peanut butter sandwich. And yeah, so thanks for coming along with me. I definitely enjoyed my time. We are home. Alright guys, so we are saying goodbye to the yurt, but I'm not saying goodbye to you just yet. We, in the next video, you're going to see our next adventure, which is going to be backpacking in the Grayson Highlands State Park, where we're going to see some ponies, and should have a great time. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now, but I will see you very, very soon. See you next time.